morning children. Today in this video we are going to learn how to compare two decimal numbers. Now all of us know how to compare normally two numbers. For example, if there is 237 or 901, you know 901 is bigger than 237. But in decimal numbers, still you need to understand how to compare numbers, which we are going to learn today. Let's learn that. Comparison of decimals. To understand the comparison of decimals, let us first understand the places of different digits. Suppose there is a number 2475.69. Let us see the places. 5 is at the ones place, 7 is at the tens place, 4 is at the hundreds place, and 2 is at the thousands place. 6 is at the 10th place, and 9 is at the 100th place. Now we know that tens place is bigger than ones place. Hundreds place is bigger than tens place. And thousands place is bigger than hundreds place. So as we move from right to left in a number, the places increase. Now same happens with 10th and 100th place. 10th place is bigger than 100th place. Now to understand how 10th place is bigger than 100th place, let us see this. 1 upon 10 is bigger than 1 upon 100. This we have studied in fractions. To understand it further, if we divide one whole in 10 equal parts, then one part out of the 10 parts will be big. If we divide same one whole into 100 equal parts, the individual part will become very small, and 1 out of 100 will be smaller than 1 out of 10. Now 1 out of 100, we write it as 0.01, and 1 out of 10 we write as 0.1. That is the reason 0.1 is bigger than 0.01. Okay, it is very easy to understand that 0.7 is bigger than 0.3. Why? Because 0.3 is 3 out of 10 equal parts, and 0.7 is 7 out of 10 equal parts. So 7 upon 10 is greater than 3 upon 10. Now let us take an example. 0.7 and 0.45. We want to find out which out of these two numbers is bigger. Okay, to understand this, let us change 0.7 into its fraction form. It is 7 upon 10. Let us change 0.45 into its fraction form. It is 45 upon 100. Now, if we want to compare these two fractions, we should have same denominator. We should have like fractions, and then only we can compare them. So let us change 7 upon 10 into a fraction with denominator 100, because here the denominator is 100. So let us change the fraction 7 upon 10 with denominator 100 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 10. Okay, so we get 70 upon 100 as the equivalent fraction. So beta 7 upon 10 and 70 upon 100 both are equal. Now let us compare 70 upon 100 with 45 upon 100. Naturally, you would say 70 out of 100 is more than 45 out of 100. So 0.7 is more than 0.45. It means when we get two decimals, for example 0.2 and 0.19, to compare these two decimals, we must look at the 10th place. Here we have 2 at the 10th place, and here we have 1 at the 10th place. Since 10th place is bigger than 100th place, so 0.2 is bigger than 0.19. If still you feel confused, let us change 0.19 to its decimal equivalent. That would be 19 upon 100. And the decimal equivalent of 0.2 would be 2 upon 10. Now we need to compare 2 upon 10 with 19 upon 100. So for comparing two fractions, their denominators have to be same. Let us multiply the numerator of 2 upon 10 by 10. 2 multiplied by 10 and 10 multiplied by 10. We will get 20 upon 100. Now 20 upon 100 and 2 upon 10 are equal. They are equivalent fractions. So if we will compare 20 upon 100 and 19 upon 100, we will come to know that 20 upon 100 is bigger. And that is the reason 0.2 is bigger than 0.19. Let us take another example. 4.3 and 4.27. Here at ones place we have 4, and here also at ones place we have 4. Let us go to the next bigger place, which is the 10th place. Here we have 3 at the 10th place, and here we have 2 at the 10th place. So 4.3 is bigger than 4.27. 6.05 and 6.5. We want to compare these two decimals. So let us change these two decimals into their equivalent fractions. This one would be 6 whole 5 upon 100. This is the mixed number. Let us change it into improper fraction. 6 into 100 is 600 plus 5 is 605 upon 100. Let us change 6.5 into its fraction form. This is 6 whole 5 upon 10. This is the mixed number. Let us change it into improper fraction. 6 tens are 60 plus 5, 65 upon 10. Now we want to compare 605 upon 100 and 65 upon 10. But their denominators are not same. So let us make their denominators same by multiplying the numerator and denominator of 65 upon 10 by 10 and changing it into equivalent fraction. So we will get 650 upon 100. Now if we compare 605 upon 100 and 650 upon 100, 650 upon 100 is bigger than 605 upon 100. And that is the reason 6.5 is bigger than 6.05. I hope, children, by now you would have understood that the 10th place is bigger than the 100th place. 1 upon 10 is bigger than 1 upon 100. And 0.1 is bigger than 0.01. I hope, children, you would have understood how to compare decimal numbers. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.